Hi, baby. Hi. Blah. Ooh, you a monkey again? You got mommy's hairband? Yeah. Hi. Uh-huh. What else you gotta tell mommy? Yeah, I know. You're trying to get at the computer. Yes. Yeah. And Daddy? Yeah, Daddy's working. Mama. Mama. Oh, we're doing monkey again? Because we can't get the mouse? We're a monkey because we can't get the mouse? Where are you going? Where are you going? Into the wall. Smash. Hi. Hi. Where'd Daddy go? Abby, blow kiss? Blow kiss. Good girl. Abby, blow kiss to Mama. Peekaboo. Oh, on your bum. Don't stand up under there. Don't stand up under there. I see you. I see you. You think you're hiding? Hi. Where's Mama? Hi. Can I have my hairband back? What are you doing? Ooh. Where is Abby? There she is. Can Mama have her hairband back, please? Yes, look at our fine gate. Yes. Yes, the gate that had to be installed to stop you. Yes, hi! I see you! Yes, it's a lovely gate, isn't it? Yes, let's test it out. Hopefully it doesn't pop open. Yeah, no, let's not. Are you a caged beast? Are you a caged beast? Mama. Yeah. It's going to swing open one day and you're going to go plump back on your head. Okay, where are we going now? Give me a tour of the house? Yay. Oh, are you going to hide? Don't get your head stuck. Where's Abby? There you are. Where are you going? Careful. Yeah? Careful. Can I have my hairband back? No? Yes. Yeah? Where are we going now? Yeah? Now we're going to go over to the chair. Whoopsie! Yeah. Yeah. Daddy? Daddy not home. Daddy working. Yeah. You're not allowed to play with the blinds, are you? No. Abby. No. Dada. Yeah, Dada coming from there. Huh? Where's Dada? Abby. Little kiss? Oh yeah. Where you get? Show mommy? Show mommy? Abby? Yeah, put it back. Lost your hairband. Watch your head. Yeah. Can I have that? Share with Mama? Share? Share? Can you put it back? Can you put it back? Yeah? Abby? No, we don't play with the blinds. No. No, don't put Mommy's hairband there either. What you got?